invasive bypass. Within a day, 2 days, you can walk out of the hospital. A lot of my friends from abroad, when they come, they were so surprised. You know, I bring money to come to Malaysia for treatment, and they can actually carry the money back home and say, hey, I'm so happy. You say, why? I didn't spend much. I've got so much savings when I come to Malaysia. Okay, so these are some of the cost comparison. Room charges. How many of you have been to Prince Court Medical Center? Do you know the single bed room is only 150 ringgit? And you can see the view of KLCC, the Twin Towers. Yesterday I met a friend. He told me, you know, somebody from Kazakhstan. Oh, I love to stay in your hospital. I think I better stay there. It's cheaper than going to the hotel nearby. Okay? So you have a suite for 1,000. It's to the foreigners that come in, is so cheap. To Malaysian, I think it's also cheap. I'd rather stay there. So actually, they also offer, if the family members want to come, they probably, if there's nobody next door, they offer, you know, the bed next door. It's very nice. Okay? So what are the other benefits in Malaysia? Of course, we all know most Malaysians can speak 2 to 3 languages. English is widely spoken. This is something very interesting. I want to share with you. I was in Mongolia one day, and this young man in the hotel says, oh, I've been to Malaysia. I say, is it? I was curious. I mean, for business or what? Oh, I was a student in Malaysia. And then what do you study? English. I say, why do you come all the way from Mongolia to Malaysia to study English? I say, why not UK or certain English-speaking country, you know? He told me one thing which amazes me. He said that because Malaysia, everyone speaks English. I was thinking, oh dear. And it's true. You ask a taxi driver, they all speak English. Of course, sometimes broken, but they do. They can understand, they can converse. And in Malaysia, this is one of the advantages, all right? And community from around the world can easily fit into our society because we are a multicultural society. You know, people from India, people from Pakistan, people from China, people from Australia, they just come in, they can just fit into our society so well. All right? Multicultural society, huge variety of food, international cuisine easily available, and we have a huge expat community because of the MM2H also. This is just to show you some of the pictures of multi-colors. Variety of cuisine. I tell you, I have been around the world. I still love Malaysia. I cannot forget when I come back, nasi lemak and char kway teow is a must. You know, there's always this touch point about